What's up, guys? I'm back. We're gonna walk into using the application. So you're just gonna click login here, and now we're at the home page. You can, and we'll go over this really quickly, go into your user profile. You can add to your profile, change your password, two-factor authentication, delete any personal data here. So the next thing you're gonna do to use the app is just click this tweet context. Right here, you see that it says that we're still building. Right now, we're only offering 10 of your most recent replies. It costs a lot of money to aggregate these, especially with everybody using the site. So we're gonna offer more expensive plans. With those more expensive plans, you will get more features. But for now, this is the plan that we have laid out. So this basically means that either your tweets were replies, or they just didn't have enough context to pull any data using machine learning and eventually AI. So what I'm going to do here is just post on my Twitter about InsiteX.ai, and I'm going to give that a minute because this is all running locally. And then I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. This should technically pick up, right? So these are the context keywords that we applied for, basically, and we are hitting technology, business, and X. So we're a SaaS business. That makes sense, and X is part of our target audience. So I'm gonna go ahead and click AI suggestion just to give you a preview of how this actually works and what we should see and expect. This might take a minute. Eventually we'll get some loading signs in here. So here you're gonna see AI suggestions. This is gonna be the new tweet that it recommends. It's going to give you a summary of why it chose what it chose, and then it'll give you highlights. So my recommendation when using this application, tips. My recommendation when using this application is to go ahead and tweet, and if you have a premium account, then you can use the tweet context. Pick your focus sectors. So say, like, I don't know, clown shows popped up here. I wouldn't click that. I would click just what I wanted to narrow down my context to, and then click to get the AI suggestion, and that'll give the AI more context to develop these insights. So this is basically what you should expect, and then you can either use the AI suggestions, you can tweak the AI suggestions combined with yours, but ultimately the idea is it gives you a suggested tweet plus a summary breakdown so you can make your own decisions, and tips so you can further help your decision making, and maybe even further your skills at posting later on your own. So it kind of trains you too. That is it for InsiteX right now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I look forward to creating more features for you guys.